I will talk. Hi, Papa. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, what are you doing in your fish, Papa? You are look like funny and clown. Huh? Are you make up funny?
Papa don't drink anymore, except vodka.
Oh, vodka.
Yeah,
But it's that water, not vodka. What happened to your
my face.
head that you put a diaper? Huh, Papa? What is that? What are you
This
doing?
is my cover.
It's your cover to your
Yeah,
your handsome.
no one knows me because I don't drink anymore,
Oh, but
except
oh,
vodka.
but you are so handsome.
Yeah,
Hmm.
and all my clothes are so fit.
Oh, yeah. But it's okay. You are always handsome, Papa.
Yeah, thank you. I am happy for that.
Mm-hmm. And you have put a diaper in your head.
I don't know which is that you gave me.
Oh, and you put lipstick to your lips. You look so funny and very
Yeah,
handsome,
but I
Papa.
said that this is only a cover, that no one knows me who I am.
Oh, okay. You cover your your face. But you're still handsome.
I don't know about that because I can't see.
Mm-hmm. Yet you are. You are so handsome, but so funny. And I think uh, you must remove the cover of your head.
I don't know.
Oh,
I
because
am beginning to like this.
oh yeah, but you are so funny, Papa.
Yeah, and
Oh,
I am also fat.
oh, you are fat, but it's not. You
Yeah.
are, you are not fat, Papa. But you look so very funny,
Yeah,
but I love you.
I look like Manny Pacquiao
Manny Pacquiao.
when he was young.
Oh, but Manny Pacquiao is not put lipstick.
I don't know.
But you put lipstick. You look so fun like the artists that
Yeah.
they are clown. But you you still handsome and I love you.
I love you.
Yeah, and I think you must remove the cover so that we can see your entire.
Then everyone knows
Face.
who I am.
Yeah, but I think you must remove so that we can see you.
Maybe, okay.
Yeah, you must remove it like that. Oh, oh, so, Papa. Why? What are you doing to your face? Huh? What are you doing? You are very handsome,
Yeah.
gay. You are very handsome, gay.
Yeah.
I love you.
Yeah.
You. But even you are like that, I love you.
I love you, Mama.
You look so very handsome. I think when we go to CDO, I will put like that to you.
Yeah.
I
I
will
knew-
put I will put lipstick.
I knew that this is something is behind this all.
Mm. Yeah, but it's okay. You look very handsome and funny.
This is what I don't tell people. Don't tell people. This is what I look every morning
You
after
are.
heavy drinking.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's your hiding personality?
No, but because of vodka.
Apo. So, you drink vodka?
Every morning I look like this because of vodka.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but it's okay.
Yeah. Except I don't drink.
Mm-hmm. But it's okay because you are still very handsome, Papa. And even you are look like a clown, but you are still long nose and very, very handsome.
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you, but you have a weird taste of man.
Yeah, but I love you. Thank you for watching, everyone.
See you next episode.
Next episode. Yeah, because the artist is so very handsome. My husband is very handsome and funny.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.